Hi guys, I hope you're doing good and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make up to $300 literally by just typing names. You can do this from anywhere in the world, no matter which country you're in. You can use this method to make up to $300, and you can do this using your phone or your computer. You don't need anything else, just a device and internet connection, and you are good to go. So if you want to make money online, even if you have no skills at all, you can just follow this video step by step and you will see how easy it is to make literally up to $300 a day just by typing names. And by the end of this video, I will show you the secret of doing this the right way and make more money with this method. So make sure not to skip any part of this video because you might miss important information and you don't want that, right? Now, if you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel, Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams from the internet. Now, the website we're going to be using is squadhelp.com. And before we talk more about it, let's just check on YouTube the reviews of the people that use this website. As you can see, Squad Help has a rating of almost 5 stars from 2,781 customers, which means that people are actually making money using this website. And that's a great thing, right? It means that it is legit and that we are also able to make this kind of money as well on Squad Help. So make sure before you use any website like this to check out the reviews and how was previous clients' experience with the website. It can help you have a better idea about how much you can make on the website. Of course, before we suggest any website on our channel, we make sure to read the reviews and even try the website beforehand, so that in every one of our videos, you can find actual legit ways to make money. So check out our channel and our previous videos because you might find more ways that interest you to make money online. Now back to the website, and first thing you want to do is sign up. So you just click on the sign up button right here and you will land on this page right here where you have to fill in the form. Make sure to click on join as a creative or marketplace seller and then you click on create an account. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account, and if you have an account already, you just click on login and that is it. Once you've created the website, you will be asked to select how you intend on participating. And here you will click on participating in naming contests. So basically how Squad Help works is that it allows businesses that are looking for names for their website, apps, online courses, etc. to put a request for name in them. And then people can submit their ideas. And the one that gets selected gets paid. Of course, there are also companies that are looking for logos and videos, etc. But what we are going to be showing you today is just how you can make money typing names. Okay, so now we land on this page right here. And you're going to want to go to dashboard. And here you're going to click on connecting your PayPal account. So basically you need to connect your PayPal or Payoneer account in order to receive payments from this website. So once you link your payment information to Squad Help, click on this button right here that says contests. And here you will find all the contests that you have participated in as well as new contests. So we're just going to click on active contests right here, and that will show you guys all the active contests that are available right now and that you can participate in. And here you can see the prize that you will get if you get picked. You can see the number of participants of the contest and the number of days left to participate. Now the first thing you want to do is check if the contest guarantees an award, because some of these companies don't guarantee payment. So you go right here and check guaranteed to only have contests that you will 100% make money from. So let's go to this contest right here. Name for a fashion clothing brand and man's suit. You will find a non-disclosure agreement that you need to review and accept. So let's click on it. And here I agree to the non-disclosure agreement and then I accept. And yeah, I will have all the information about the brand and the company in this page. So make sure to read all of these information, guys, because you want to be able to win the contest and get the $200. But if you don't read this, you won't have information about what the brand is about and what their vision is and what they want exactly from you. So read this carefully. Now, what if you don't have name ideas? What if you don't want to take the time and think of a website or business name idea? Well, I'm going to show you a secret trick to generate names online without even having to think of them yourself. So what you want to do is go to Google and search instant domain search. And instant domain search is basically a website where you can check if certain domain names are available or not. But the cool thing is they also offer a domain generator. So say I want to look for a domain name for a real estate business. I would just type real estate, and here I have a ton of suggestions that I can use. I can even combine 2 or 3 or simply get inspired and then make one of my own. And the idea is to apply for as many contests as possible. So you submit names using instant domain generator for at least 10 contests every day to have more chances of being picked by one of them and receive money from it, which is cool. Now, if you want to make a lot of money with this method, let's just go back to the contest list right here. So you have a word guaranteed checked. But if you want big money, you can simply check more than $300. And here you will have a list of contests paying $300, $500, sometimes even more. Like this one here, $700. So say you submit to 10 of these contests and you get selected in just 2 of them. You will get at least $600 in just one day. And that is huge, right? Okay, let me give you another tool which is more powerful to generate names, especially for e-commerce. It's called Shopify Business Name Generator. And this is a free name generator provided by Shopify that everybody can use. And you will have a whole list of business name ideas. Okay, now maybe you are wondering how much money can I actually make doing this? How much can I actually make using these tools and submitting up to 10 contests a day? Well, let's just check how much people are making. If we scroll up and click on recent winners, it's gonna pop all the people that recently won a contest and how much they actually made and even the business name that they submitted to win. So this can actually give you an inspiration of what kind of business names are being selected and then use them to create one of your own and get selected too. And take a look at this, $100, $200, $300. And see this guy here, he got $100 on the 24th of November and $300 on the 23rd of November, which means that he made $400 in just 48 hours. And that is why I told you submit at least 10 names a day, because that will increase your chances of winning and that will help you make a lot more money on a regular basis. So these people are literally submitting a bunch of names and getting payment pretty much on a daily basis. Imagine if you just got $100 a day, that would be $300 a month. It's literally a salary online, just type in names on this website. And like I said, if you can do logo design, you can also submit logos, domain names, video edits, etc. There are a ton of contests on this website that you can submit your work to and get paid at least $100 per contest. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. And also, check our website, wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video.